Hey, good day. Super excited. How are you doing? Good afternoon, good morning, wherever you're joining from. You're welcome to another amazing session with Maya Wolabi. Today, we're dealing with cryptocurrency. And guys, I can tell you it's going to be an amazing session today. Where are you joining from? Good afternoon, good morning. Yeah. How are you doing? Where are you also joining from? Where are you joining from? It's going to be a great session today. Hey, bro, Chinedu joining from Dubai. Good to have you on the call, my brother. Owolabimayo. Oh, really? Good to have you. Can you imagine? How are you doing, Owolabimayo? Good to have you. For my papa, fantastic. Good to have you. You're welcome. Let's click on the share button. Let's help other people get value. Okay. Let's help other people get value. Good afternoon. Good morning. Let's go. You're welcome to the cryptocurrency session. You're welcome. 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 Let's go. 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 Ibas bless. I greet you, sir. I greet you too, my brother. Very well, thank you, sir. You're welcome, my brother. Chinedu says, I'm sharing it both on Facebook and YouTube. Thank you so much, my brother. Hey, Stephanie Mitchell, how are you doing today? Good afternoon, sir. Will from Port Harcourt. Will, how are you doing today? How is the market treating you? How is the market treating you today? Great. Let's go. Very fine. Fantastic. The market is making me more patient. That's it. That's the way to go. You have to be patient, guys. You have to be patient. Just identify one good entry and always hit it whenever you see it. Always hit it whenever you see it. And you're good. Like I do tell you, you don't need so many trades. You just need one or two out of 10 that can pay you 1 to 10. You're good. You'll be killing the market every single time. So one more time, you're welcome to Cryptocurrency Update with Mayowa Owolabi. I'm really excited to be on the call with you today. I'm really, really excited. And as usual, we're going to be starting with with the um, with the FA session, which is the fundamental. What has happened between last week and now? What has happened between last week and now? Let's check that. Then we'll move into the TA and the research rules. While that is loading, where hey Samuel Oduma, good afternoon, super coach. Good afternoon, my brother. Good to have you going today. And how's your trading going? So Terra founder Don Carl, Terra founder do know denies reports that his crypto asset was frozen. Like I'm really tired of this guy. Like me, oh, I'm tired. I'm tired. That's why I told you about 2 months ago or 3 months ago that I wasn't going to put my money in anything Terra Luna. You know, so it's more of speculations right now. Although the guy fell for my hand, I wasn't expecting that from him because this is somebody that was already doing well for himself. Okay, but when you understand this, the way the cryptocurrency is structured, you will be smart at it because when even the successful people, the founders are saying over 90% of the coin will not succeed. So that means you have to be very, very selective when you're making your selection so that you would not just buy a set and it will turn to another thing in your hand. Be very, very careful. Like I told you 2 weeks ago, I said it's more speculation. Somebody asked me Lunar Classic and the rest. Well, it's more speculations. Once there is no fundamental and use case around any asset that's turned to meme coin, just put your money. If you make some profit, take your capital out of it and see if there will be a miracle. The Middle East and North America, okay, emerge as region, North America emerge as region with largest crypto adoption. Yeah, let's see. That's good. Crypto market, Bitcoin glides past 20,000. Yes, we saw that. Let's see what's happening. Like, I don't know why it's going up again, but I expect it to go down. Okay. So I think more of the intraday guys are doing some money movement there. Telegram wallet bot now uses exchange crypto with each other. Okay, that's a good one. That's a good one by the Telegram developers. So that means that if you're using Telegram. Okay, you can now begin to do P2P on it, which is very, very good. That's a good step. Okay, okay, Kim Kardashian got trapped in a project she promoted. That's this is one of the reasons why I'm a bit slow to mentioning projects online, except for those in the community. So even if it's a new project, a lot because of my audience online, I get a lot of people tell me to come and promote their product, their crypto project. And once I do my check-ins with my research team in the office, they just tell me it's not even going to fly. Okay. So, but this particular one got Kim Kardashian's attention and Ethereum Max. Even Ethereum Max, as its name implies, you know that it's going to max. So she's told to pay now. She's to pay. If she hasn't paid, let me confirm if she has not paid. I think she's been sued she's to pay $1.2 million, as a fine, and she's never to promote anything cryptocurrency again. That's a lot. That's a lot, but right now, and she's not even coming out to say how much she collected. Maybe she collected the money in cryptocurrency, so it's not traceable. Okay. Okay. The sex orders finds that Kardashian failed to disclose that she was paid $250,000. Okay, and they charged her 1.26 million. That's a lot. That's a lot. Okay, even if she has made that money, that's a lot. So you have to be very careful on all of this project because uh cryptocurrency is amazing. I've made good money from it, but I still tell people you have to be very, very smart. Okay, I've shared with you, classify your portfolio into four. Um, the king and the queen of the market, which is Ethereum and Bitcoin, let them have over 30% of your portfolio. Ethereum can have 20%, let Bitcoin has 10%, depending on how you want it. Then let let blockchain ecosystem, let them have about 40% of your portfolio or 30% of your portfolio. The likes of BNB and let them have that. Then new projects, okay, degens, you can give it another 30%. Meme coin, make sure you don't have more than 10. Once you are seeing the project, they don't have owners, they've not they didn't dox their team, that's a red flag. um, the project the utility they are creating is not specific. Their their tokenomics, the way they are doing their sharing formula, is more than they are taking more than 40% or more than 35% of the market, is a red flag. So all of these things you need to know them so that you know that this is meme coin. Don't have more than 10% there. Once you break the rule, I can tell you, you might not be able to make the kind of money you want in cryptocurrency, except you just get it by luck. There are locks. You can get lucky. Okay, just get a meme coin and it can give you 1 million hex. It's possible. It's possible. Okay, so MasterCard introduces new tool to combat cryptocurrency for fraud, which is very, very good. China Central Bank, okay, to internationalize its digital currency. Okay, I said this. Then the Celsius CEO, okay, has also resigned. I think I said this last week. So that's what we have for this week. Okay, that's what we have for this week. That's what we have for this week. Let's go further to check what we have. Okay. We have Matthew also. Matthew, how are you doing? Good to have you. So once we are done with that, we always check the sentiment in the market. Okay, the fear and greed. You want to know what is happening in the market in the fear and greed session. Fear and greed. So we are back to 26. Okay, last week it was 22. We're back to 26. Last week it was 22. Okay, last week it was 22. You can see 26 right now. I mean, it's gaining some momentum, which is not bad. And like I said, we need this guy to come to 10. I told you guys this cheat, I shared this cheat code with you guys the other time. Okay, you can see when it drops to 10, it's always going very far. Okay, I like to drop to 10 before you want to put your money. Right now, it's ranging around 20, 15, 20, 15, 20. So that's what I've been doing for the past 2 months. We need it to go deeper so we can buy from there. So that's what we have for fear and greed. Currently, the market is around fear, is in fear mode, which is 26%. Okay, which is not bad. And having established that, the next thing is to go and check the market properly. What asset do you want us to start with? As usual, we'll start with Bitcoin. We'll start with Bitcoin. We'll start with Bitcoin. Whew. We'll start with Bitcoin. So let's see what Bitcoin is. Okay. It's currently rejecting from that zone. Okay, so I'm expecting a retracement back to this top. Back to 22. That's the only place I can sell from, and I'll sell from here, either at 22 or at 24. If I can get a sell confirmation from there, I will sell it down to 9,000. But right now, the market is ranging. And how do you know the market is ranging? Look at the takeoff. It went up, it came down, it went up, it came down. So for about since 21st of since 21st of September till date, about more than 15 days, the market has been ranging. Whenever it's ranging, just stay away from the market, okay? Like I do tell you, this is where I'm going to be. Like I told you before, I'll be looking out to sell here hmm, to 9. But right now, there's nothing to do than to cross your. You can also do a short buy here if you are a. You can do a short buy here around 1920. So you can take short buy here. If you're a futures trader, you check out your condition in between this 1920 and 18800. Okay. So in between here, if you can get your confirmation, you can shoot your buy from here. But I'll be waiting for a sell here. You know that this will be counter trend. Okay, this will be a counter trend, but it's not bad because if you go to 4 hours, you will see the lower low, lower high, higher high rule there. So on 4 hours, you can see we have a low, a high, higher low, a higher high, a higher low, a higher high. And the market failed to break this guy. So he gave us excuse me guys. He gave us he gave us a liquidity level here, which will be cleared when it retraces back down. So from here, I could be looking for a buy, a short buy, or I rather stay away because it is against the trend. So it depends on your approach. It depends on your approach. If you're an aggressive trader, it depends. I'm an extreme conservative trader. Okay, I'm an extreme conservative trader, so I'll prefer it to come up here for a sell, then we can sell deeper. Any other one you guys want me to analyze today? Hey, Olakunju says, good afternoon, boss. Good afternoon, my sister. How is it going? How is it going? Quick question, sir. What will you advise us to do to keep holding or take it out till it gets to 9,000? Okay, so if you have Bitcoin already and you are in profit, hold it, take some profit. If you are in profit, take some profit and hold on till 9,000. So it depends on the stage you are right now, Will. Okay? It depends on where you bought your entry position. But if you have not bought Bitcoin at all, wait till 9,000. If you've not bought Bitcoin at all, wait till 9,000. As a matter of fact, when I did the analysis on Coinbase, Coinbase, when I did the analysis on Coinbase, what's it called? Coinbase data. Don't be surprised if this guy comes as low as 7,000. Don't be surprised. Okay. But like I said, anything below 9,000, I'm going to be buying. I'm going to be buying. So Will says that I'm on loss. I'm on loss, sir. Entry position was on 60,000. Wow. Wow. So leave it now. Leave it. Don't do anything. So when it comes deeper, start adding to it, okay? Bitcoin has come to stay. It has come to stay. So there's nothing to do. So it's going to go up back. The major reason why we can't see the energy, the pull up that we're expecting, is number one, there is recession already, and the countries are not willing to accept there's recession. And if they are not declaring there's recession, that means in the next few months there will be what is called hyperinflation. Okay, and when there is hyperinflation, that means that the recession will really hit into what we're talking about. Then, guys, there's nothing to do. So at that point, we'll expect all the coins to drop out because people will not want to hold again. That's the major challenge with recession. When there's recession, the weakened hand always sell off. You bought a house at 250,000, you are in massive profit, and recession came in, and you need to put up some debt, pay off some debt, or pay up some bills. You decide to sell the house for 300,000 or even less just to get cash. That could be a lot of issues. Okay, so what you want to make sure you do is that you want to get ready for the recession. You want to get ready for the recession. It's everywhere. It's going to be a global hit. I've been saying this for more than 4 months. I've been saying this for more than 4 months. It's going to be really, really deep. So what do you do in this time is that you increase your cash flow. So when you increase your cash flow, it allows you to have enough savings in your USDT so that you can buy when everybody is selling off. You know, for those that joined me in January when I did the first wealth creation master class, I announced that people should go and buy naira, buy dollar, sorry. December, January, the naira was still around 350 to dollar. Yeah, less than 500. And I said, go and buy, go and buy, go and buy. The real value of dollar is over $1,000. They are just holding it on. And when we are out of reserve, we'll not be able to hold that price again. So what it means is that even dollar can go, dollar to naira, for those who are in Nigeria, dollar to naira can go as far as 1,005, as far as 1,005, as far as 2,000 naira, if care is not taken. Now, somebody will say, "Oh, what, Mr. Maiwa, you are negative." I'm not negative. I'm just an investor who has some experience. Okay, I can be wrong and I can be right. However, fundamental wise, the 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 policies that can correct those, that can put in the right measure, the policies that will bring in the right measure into our exchange model is not yet in place. Okay, it's not yet in place. And if we've not started election right now, and we still have about 6 months, 8 months to election, what that means is that um, the politicians will keep hoarding dollars, and in as well as they keep hoarding dollars, there will be scarcity in the market and the price will keep going up. So that's just my layman explanation for those who will say, what explanation do you have for it? So, but for Bitcoin, I strongly feel that once the hyperinflation goes in really, really deep, um, recession will come, and Great Britain is already experiencing it. Their electricity, their energy is really going really crazy starting from January. Imagine somebody paying £4,000 on energy, and there's no solution right now. So they called for a sudden meeting yesterday, okay, but we yet to see the effect of the meeting in the market. So UN have announced that they should start working on it. Okay, UN has announced that the government should start working on it. So I don't know what they will bring in, but I don't see that, okay, as a major solution, because immediately Joe Biden released the checks, recession is bound to happen immediately, because the money was much, and when there's too much money in circulation, okay, there'll be issue. Oh, so as an investor and somebody that is learning from me, what I'll do is I look for ways to save up for the opportunities that are coming. That's my take. Larry says, since Bitcoin is coming down to 9,000, will you advise that one should enter a sell position? Yeah, if you want to enter a sell position, you must have an entry strategy, because that means that you're trading futures, Larry Daniel. That means you are trading futures. And if you are trading futures, you must know how to calculate, use your risk management to calculate. If you don't know how to use risk management, you don't know how to use the calculator, you are going to donate. So don't even go there if you don't understand it. Don't go there at all. You need to understand it before you go there. So please take your time. So don't sell because Mr. Maiwa said it's coming down. You need to have an entry strategy and a stop loss that you can use to scale up. Okay? Will says, okay, sir. You're welcome, my brother. Cleanse says, please, sir, we are still waiting for you regarding the futures trading class that you want to teach. Yes, I'm going to, yeah, my team, okay, Maker should give me an update on that. Once the slide is ready, I'll give you guys a date. Hey, Anoise Charles, good to have you on the call, my bro. Celebrate it. You seem quite firm on the 9,000 level. Why do you think it will get there? Perhaps I missed when you mentioned it. Oh, I think I've now said it again, though. Okay, so many reasons. Okay, so many reasons. Technically, okay, technically, institutional wise, okay, then fundamental wise, is sealing it right now because of the recession. Okay, so at what price should we be purchasing BNB and NER? BNB, I'm expecting BNB to come below $30. Okay. Technical analysis people should not. I've always told you I'm not the best. I'm not here to prove to you I'm the best. I'm just here to share my view. And I've always told you I can be wrong. Okay. Uh-huh. Just that when I'm right, I'm right. That's just it. Okay. So for me, mm, BNB need to come to $20. $20. Anything below $30, I'll be buying. Anything below $30, I'll be buying BNB. I can't buy BNB now. I can be wrong, but I can trade it. Okay. If you have, you can trade it. You can trade it depending on let me see if I can get their Coinbase Coinbase chart. So if you can use futures to trade it. So when you use futures to trade it, you can be trading the sell, the buy, the sell, the buy. But right now, long term, I'm not ready for long term. I'm not ready for long term at all. I'm not ready for long term. So what I'm doing right now is that I'm accumulating Bitcoin. Okay, that's what I'm doing right now. So what I'm expecting is if it comes back here at 3,400, it might not break that zone. And there's a rejection that happened at this flip zone. So this guy has to come down. I don't know. Look at one of the cheat code is that look at this higher low hmm, did not break this high. This higher low did not break this high. Immediately it didn't break this high. The market has changed to what? High, low, lower high, lower low. So that means that the market is coming down technically. Apart from the fundamental that I've mentioned earlier, okay? Apart from the fundamental I've mentioned earlier, you know, so if to buy, it's going to be around anything below $30. I'll be looking to buy. It's going to be a huge crash, and it's not their fault. It's not that Binance will go out of will go out. No, it's just an issue that has to do with people liquidating. Imagine currently Binance has over I think 93 billion total value locked. Okay, I think that's what they have right now. So imagine some people who have, money in Binance under staking and all of that. They will come out of it. They will just, they will just sell off to get liquid, to have liquidity, and the market will crash. So I think it's going to come there. You know, at least 2019, I said it was coming to 4,000, and it came. It came to 4,000 in 2020 March. Okay, so if I have said it before and I used all those check it again to see that it's coming again, I can be wrong and I can also be right. Okay, so I think near two should come below 2.53 $3, 2.5 below $1. Anything below that place will start buying near. Okay, near is one of the premium assets we have in the group, and I think near should go to $100 from there in the next 2 years or three. It should get to $100 or more. Okay, that's one of the assets we have in the premium group, and I've given it to you guys free. So anything below $2, $1 will be adding up near. So that's what I have for near. That's what I have for near. And for BNB, about 20, about 30, below $30. Pastor Silas, you must have entry strategy. Yes, please, Pastor. You need to have entry strategy. Yes. Okay, Larry Daniel says, okay, sir. Anita says, nice one, sir. Thank you so much, Anita. Clesa says, sir, please, if you don't have up to $9,000 to buy Bitcoin, but you can still buy other coins, or is it that you can buy fractions of Bitcoin? Yes, Clestus, you can buy fractions. You can buy the little ones. You can buy with $500. You can buy with $300. You can even with $100. You can buy. Okay, you can buy. So it's not a must to have all that big volume. No, it's not a must. It's not a must at all. It's not a must to buy. Okay. Thomas says, sir, it's been a while, sir. Are you still following up on the coin swap team about their project? They have launched on Pancake Swap, Coin Index. I think they have a very good plan in place to grow. Yeah, like I do tell you, those are just projects that can stay and can go with the wave. You know, I think I have close to about, I have a lot of their coins so that I collected during the airdrop. So I'm just waiting. Let's wait for the next bull run. The next bull run, if they succeed, the day they succeed and they become like maybe 10 cents, know that I've made good money, like good money. Yeah. So just wait. I'm not selling off. I'll hold it to the next bull run. The next bull run could be, I think it should happen in less than 2 years. The next bull run. So let's wait for it. Just claim it and keep it. Please, boss, what's your take on the Super X exchange? Are they trustworthy to invest in their ET coin? So, okay, so I have some observation about the Super X project, but they look really real, like really real, like really real. Okay, but you see, in this business, It's about taking risk. Personally, I did not buy ET. I only claim airdrop, and I think I have close to over 40,000 worth of $40,000 worth of ET. So I'm just waiting for it to go public and is withdrawable. That's when I'm going to be withdrawing it. But right now, I feel that we should just I feel that we should just claim it and leave it. Okay, claim it and leave it. We have seen a lot of exchanges like that. They came in as if they were very, very serious, and at the end, they didn't even last to. They didn't even finish the bear market. Not to talk of the bull market. So, but they have a good structure to be their Web3, and they're trying to help. They have a uniqueness about their platform, but everybody is just coming up with a solution. Okay, everybody just coming up with their solution. So I just claimed it. I have it in my wallet. As a matter of fact, when it went as high as $26, somebody chatted me up, you know, and was like, "How can they withdraw? How can they withdraw?" And the withdrawing model is not even it's not even direct. So you have to trade. You have to trade. When you trade, the more you trade in your futures account, the more you can have. The more you can have your coin released. So I just claimed it. Okay, I just claimed it and I left it. So, but putting money in it, I'm not putting money in it, and I don't recommend you put money in it, or you put it as your meme coin project. If it goes up, like I shared with you the concept of meme coin. If your portfolio is $10,000, have $1,000 for meme coin. Buy 20 meme coin, $50 and leave it. Okay. There's a man who bought about $45 worth of, that I know, less than $50 worth of Shiba Inu, and Shiba Inu gave him close to about $200,000 that he withdrew from Shiba Inu. So that's how powerful. So if you are able to select right about 10 or 20 projects, you can share for $5, $50 or $100 within them. Then leave that and wait for them in the next 3 years, because meme points are crazy, but it's not worthy your money fully. So you don't go and put all your money in meme coin. So I'm confused about coin swap. Are we supposed to leave it at the token or convert it or swap it? No, leave it. Oh, leave it. I've left my own, or maybe there's an update I've not followed up on. Unlocking ET looks like a challenge. Yeah, you have to trade. When you trade, you have it. Yeah. When they launched it was at 0. But now it's at 0.0085. Intentionally to grow it than pump and dump. Sir, they said if one did not participate, they said that okay. I didn't get that point, Thomas. Their their ICO will not be able to withdraw airdrop. Yes, you have to trade. Sir, apart from Binance, which other exchange will you recommend to buy Bitcoin on their platform? KuCoin is there. KuCoin is there. KuCoin is there. Depending on the location you are. And must you purchase KST worth of $50 to be able to withdraw their airdrop? The, the only next opportunity is to buy their metaverse land. Okay, I get it. I get it. Well, I'm not even ready to buy uh, any KST right now. I'm not ready to buy. So what I do, maybe I share my concept with you. What I do for ICOs or airdrops is that I join them, and I, especially for airdrop, I claim them and I leave them. When they succeed as a project, then I sell off. Okay, there are a lot of projects that was airdropped, that has been airdropped, and we keep being airdropped. Okay, but the question is, what are you doing about it? There are projects right now that you can even buy that you'll be gaining some airdrop, but some of us, we don't have bigger picture. We want this quick fix thing. Sir, will dollar ever come down to 400 naira again? Bless. Sincerely, I doubt it. Sincerely, I doubt it. I doubt it. I doubt if it's going to come back there again. I'm not sure. Because what will make it come down is that if there are solutions, their workflow, their policies, their action plan by our banks, you know, all of that, that will make it work. But as I talk to you at the moment, there's no solution. And if there's no solution, there's nothing we can do. The right president need to come in, to put in the infrastructure that can make it, you know, um, make it grow, But if it's not available, I'm not happy either. But you have to be wise. You have to scale up. You have to scale up. You have to scale. So one of my mentees was talking with me the other time, and I had to tell him, okay, this month I'll be having a session. You guys will see the promotion soon. I'm having a session this month on how to generate cash flow. How to generate cash flow. You need that. You need that. That's the solution right now. Because things will still go like worsen more than this. I pray it should not be my Jesus mind. I'm praying, but everything looks really like you your what you buy normally, for 1,000 naira right now is 3,000, is 4,000 right now. Things are really expensive, and so you just have to generate cash flow. You have to generate cash flow. So I think that's what we guys need right now. So don't even be bothered about will dollar come down. Dollar might not come down at all. So work on cash flow. Okay. I'm having a master class this month, okay, on the 22nd. It's going to be online and offline. Okay. It's going to be online, offline, that people can come. I'm going to be, for those who are in Lagos, you can come to the office. We're going to be having a great time. I'll be sharing with you guys amazing ways to increase cash flow. You just have to work on your cash flow, right? If you don't have cash flow, you're going to complain. Even the dollar you say you want to be making, where is the cash flow? You get it? What's the cash flow? What will you do again next month apart from selling and buying? apart from selling and buying. So I'm going to be having a closed door meeting with some of my proteges, mentees, and if you're interested, you can just and it's extremely very. I've made it cheap that you can. It's meant to be $100, but I'm giving 25 people to get it for $20. $20 is $20 is about 15,000 naira. Yes, it's affordable now. $20,000 is $20. Sorry, $20 is about 15,000 naira. Yeah, so it's just for 25 people. So I'm going to share what I am doing and how I'm generating cash flow. And we're going to be doing several case studies. And all you need to do is to go and do the same in anything you're doing. You get the link later. You need cash flow right now so that you can have enough savings for when the market comes down. So Clesus is saying, sir, do you think the market speculation, pumping and dumping is defeating the vision of the cryptocurrency? Is it not supposed to be a store of value that is disassociated from centralized systems? Yes, but right now, the speculation, the pumping and dumping is the reaction of the market. See, when you see an asset pump, it means people have invested money. When you see an asset dump, it means that some people are taking profit. That's just the way it's structured. However, some people have bought Bitcoin and they are not willing to sell like again. Like when I go in anything below 9,000, I might not sell my Bitcoin again. I'll just be taking profits. Because when I bought at 4,000, I exited at around 59,000 with good profit, which was good, you know. But right now, when it comes back to 9,000, I will not sell again. I will not sell again. Why? Because the institutions are now going to be adopting it. The institutions are going to be coming in. And when the institution comes in, they stay in forever because they go in, they stay in like forever. So speculation, pump and dump in cryptocurrency does not change the concept of cryptocurrency, either centralized or decentralized. It doesn't change. The main thing is that the project should have a use case and there's a team behind it and they have good and large investors. It means that imagine a project where the likes of Coinbase, Binance itself, FTX, all of these top Pantera in US, all these top VCs putting their money into a project, and you now have $1,000 in it, or you have $5,000 in it. That kind of project will not fail because as a VC, an average VC will put in like a million, 3 million, $10 million in a project, and they leave it for long term. You need so far there is a use case in the project. For the project, there is a team. The project will scale up. The project will scale up. The project will scale up. So that's the question. If the project has a good use case, good, it will. It's like somebody saying Ethereum going up and down. Won't it disrupt? It won't do anything. No. Ethereum has come to stay. Like stay, like stay. Okay, like stay. So that's it. That's my view. That's my view. That's my view. Okay, I think I've been able to answer a lot of questions today. Okay, guys, show some love if you are gaining value today. Port Mayor says, I'm gaining value. Fantastic. So if you want to join the master class, it's called Money Matters Master Class with Maya Wolabi. Okay, you can see it's on the 22nd of October. Okay, 22nd of October 2020 and 2022. Sorry. So I'll be having a closed door meeting. Like I said, I just wanted to share some stuff with some of my guys, and my team says we should just make it available for you guys. So I'm going to be making it available for you guys. If you're outside the country, you can also join. Okay, 10 a.m. on the 22nd of October. That's the fourth Saturday. Okay, Money Matters: How to generate steady cash flow. How to generate steady cash flow. I'm going to be giving you practical ways on how I meet up my target every month. So we're going to be talking about that. Investment wise, I'm going to be recommending a lot of stuff for you guys. Action plan, as a business owner, I'm going to be giving you. You're working somewhere, you're an entrepreneur. I'm going to be sharing stuff with you, but you have to be there. Okay, either you come physical or you join online. It's meant to be $100, but you guys will get it for $20. And like I said, 25 people. Okay. So after the 25 people, the price goes back to $100 just to show some love now. Port Mayor says interested. My will Abi. Okay, so Port Mayor said he's interested. Just chat up with the number on the screen. She will give you the link so that you can join either online or offline. Okay, so and you can go to the website and make payment directly. Okay, mywolabi.com/mmc Money Matters Masterclass. Money Matters Masterclass. So you have a session with me, about 3-4 hours together, breaking down some concepts, and you're good to go. Okay, Will says, can we pay through Bitcoin, through crypto? Yes, now can pay through crypto. Just reach out to the number. Bukola will help out. She will give you a wallet to pay with. Okay, so we're good to go. So, yeah, what analysis do you guys want us to check again as we round up today's session? I'm sure you guys have gained some value. Somebody is showing some love. Yeah, thanks. Eh? Yes, and congratulations to those that joined the crypto Bitcoin arbitrage course. I gave you guys 10 slots. Congratulations. I'm really excited. It's first come, first serve. Clestus. Clestus is asking when will the closing, when is the closing, when is the closing date of the offer? Yeah. It's just the first 25 people. Once we have 25 people, it goes back to $100. And there are already some of my proteges that have locked their spot already. I meet with them monthly and share some stuff with them. So I'm just opening this up for the first time to the public. Some even pay for 1 year to meet with me every month. So I think we're good for today. Okay. Any other asset you guys want me to analyze today? Tell me. Tell me. I think today is more of question and checking on building of faith and building confidence. Fantastic. Thank you. Port Mayor says I'm gaining value. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So I'm excited. I'm excited that I can help. Just keep keep saving. We're launching two courses later in the month. The first one I gave you guys yesterday, 50% discount. Okay, 50% discount to join the Bitcoin arbitrage system. And the goal of the Bitcoin arbitrage course is I want to share with you how to generate Bitcoin, how to accumulate Bitcoin. Okay. So on an average, we're looking at between 20 to 30% every month. So if you have $1,000 worth of Bitcoin, how can grow it every single month by 20%, okay, every month, and even more, okay, even more, okay, even more. Already this month I've done 7% this month. So if I can just do like 25% or 30%, I'm fine. I'll do it again next month till Bitcoin goes back to 69, to 100,000, 150,000. I'll keep doing that every single week. So what that does for me is that it allows me to acquire more Bitcoin. So my Bitcoin value remains. The value I'll get, the quantity of my Bitcoin increases. Okay, the value is what I'll be waiting for it to increase. So for somebody that bought Bitcoin at 69 right now, you need that kind of cost so that you keep generating more Bitcoin for yourself. And it's something you can do with ease, even when you're with your phone. You're good. Please, sir, what can you say about Ethereum power? I'm not available. I'm not around. Is it Ethereum power or Ethereum proof of work? I didn't get that, clusters. Blair Iba says, thanks for explanation, sir. You're welcome. Samuel says, Samuel, why you put your hand on your head? Okay. Samuel, why you put your hand on your head? Ethereum now is on proof of stake. So I think it's it's not provide of work, it's proof of work and proof of stake. Proof of work is struggling, consuming more energy. Proof of stake is more, yeah. So yeah, that's the only what would have been better is if the proof of stake brought in Ethereum charges fee reduced, but the fee did not reduce now. So it's just it increased the speed. If it has reduced the charges, yeah, I would have been talking about it. But for me, like I feel that I need more. I need more. I feel you should have dropped more. You have dropped more the fee. That fee is what you can't buy Ethereum. You can't buy Ethereum project for $30. The fee is crazy. So that's it. The return from the BTC arbitrage. Yeah, the return is not bad at all. It's not bad at all. That's an average 5% per week. It's not bad at all. It's not bad at all. The only challenge is that if your mouth is big, like some of us, we are expecting too much. Yeah, good. Some of us we want big money. But what I've just done is I sat down and I studied the power of compound interest, and I decided to go by it. Okay. So a lot of my systems right now is for the past few months now is on compound interest model. Okay, is on compound interest model. Compound interest model. Compound interest model. So which is good. Which is good. Which is good. So you too can do the same. Okay, guys, I think we're done for today. We've been able to answer quite a lot of your questions, and we've spoken about some projects, which is not bad. Which is not bad, and I think we've done well today. So what will you say to my team and I, guys? What will you say? These guys are thinking. These guys are thinking. What will you say, guys? Are you excited? Great. Fantastic. So Samuel Oduma says, thank you so much, sir. You're welcome, my brother. Follow Rusho Odedeji. Thanks. God bless you abundantly. You're welcome. Will says, much love, sir. God bless you and your team. Amen. I'm gaining value. Port Mayor. Hey, thank you so much, my brother. Okay, guys. Thank you so much. For those that are interested in the Bitcoin arbitrage trading, reach out to Bukola. You get 50% discount before the pre-launch. Once it is launched, it's $500 for the cost, but you can get the pre-launch right now, so which is very, very good for you. Okay, we got some people got on board yesterday, and like I said, I just want some people to come on board. We'll rock and roll together. They share their testimonials, and I can scale up the cost to even higher than that. But right now, you can get it for as low as $250. You get access to it once the course is launched in few days' time, which is very, very good for you. Okay, and you can do an average of 5 to 10% on your Bitcoin acquisition every single week, which is very, very good. Conservatively 5%, which is good, and you can compound. Okay, the second one for you is to join me on Saturday, 22nd of October, so that you can have access to the cash flow class, where I'm going to be teaching you how to generate more cash flow and get to work. So that will be all for today, guys. I look forward to your success. Thank you so much for your feedback, Mr. Alex. Mr. Alex, how is your trading going? Okay, let's talk in the next 3 minutes. Okay. Special thanks to you and your lovely team. You're doing a great job. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for the class. You're welcome. Lucky, you're welcome. You're welcome. Hey, Madam Okwete, good to have you. Thank you so much. So I'll see you guys on Saturday. I'll try to be available. Last week, Saturday, I had an event and I couldn't come online. I'll try to be available this Saturday. Have a pleasant evening. My name remains Mawo. We see you at the top and not from the top because the floor is too crowded. Talk to you guys.